we're going to take a look now. We have looked at race cars, we've looked at Mopars, we've looked at Porsches. We're now going to look at some Ford Mustangs. 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Fastback, 428 Cobra Jet, factory air, shaker scoop. Here we have this 1970 Shelby GT500 Fastback, 428 Cobra Jet, 4-speed with the drag pack, GT500. Black interior. Beautiful car. Over here we have another Shelby GT500. Wood grain, automatic. This is the Candy Apple Red 1970 GT500. One of only 7 produced with this color combination. Very rare color combination. Here is another Shelby. This is a ragtop Shelby. Black interior. 1970 Shelby GT500 convertible. And it's an automatic. Here's another GT500. Another Shelby GT500 convertible, ragtop, black interior. 1968. Beautiful car, beautiful car. 1969 Shelby GT350H. Fastback, 351 Cleveland, automatic, factory air. No reserve on any of these. Black interior, automatic. Another 289 Mustang. 1965 Ford Mustang convertible, original drivetrain, 289 V8, 4-speed, factory air. And a 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302 Fastback, black, 4-speed, shaker hood. Absolutely stunning. All right, guys, there's a couple Shelbys for you to check out. Check out all the different collections that we have found over here at the 2025 Kissimmee Mecum auction, January 2025. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Hey guys, how you doing? We are still doing the Kissimmee Mecum auction 2025, and we went into this building here. I don't think we've been in here yet, so let's check out what we got. So the Apex collection, 1960 Cadillac Eldorado Barritz, 390, 345 horsepower V8, nut and bolt restoration. Now my Uncle Bill who may be watching this had one of these, but he had the coupe, but it was black. It was gorgeous. He also had a 4-door version of one of these. So this is, nope, I'm sorry, he didn't. He had the Cadillac. This is the Chevy Impala 58. So this is a 58 Chevy Impala hardtop, red with multicolor interior. Beautiful car. And what is this, a 62 possible? Let's see, 62, yeah, 62 Chevy Impala convertible, Apex dual quad 409 car. So many songs written about the 409 for those of you who are under my age, because they were old songs when I was there. They're from the 60s when I was born. Beach Boys song 409. Anyway, no, Janet, was it Jan and Dean or the Beach Boys? Put down, was it Jan or Dean or the Beach Boys that did the song 409? Anyway, air conditioned car with a 409 and a convertible top. We've got a 61 Lincoln Continental convertible, 430 suicide door car. So why do they call it a suicide door? Because if somebody ticked you off in the back seat, you could just open the door, throw them out, the door would hit them and knock them down. All right, let's check out some Mustangs over here at the Apex collection. We have a 68 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Fastback, unrestored 351. It's a unrestored Survivor, same owner, original owner for 45 years. This is the factory paint, numbers matching 351, 4-barrel motor, factory shaker, hood scoop. This is how the car was, one owner car. All they did was polish it, that's it. Same paint. Here's another Apex collection. This is a 66 Shelby GT 350, Wimbledon white, Le Mans blue stripes, matching K code 289, 306 horsepower, V6 engine. It does have a Paxton supercharger. It's SAC serial number verified, Shelby American vehicle number 660957. Beautiful car. Here is a GT 500 Shelby. We're going to take a look at a lot of Shelbys here real quick. Apex collection Shelby. I believe it's also, is this Wimbledon white for this year? 67 Shelby GT 500 Fastback. Desirable factory built, yep, Wimbledon white. Factory black interior. Early example, built in 66. 428 cubic inch. Police Interceptor engine. And a 4-speed. An original Boss 302. One of the finest W code drag pack Boss 302s in existence. Rare factory drag pack. It is a Concourse Gold car, 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302 Fastback. Let's check this one out here. Ford, a GT Mustang. A 67 Ford Mustang GT Fastback, 289 cubic inch V8 4-speed, rotisserie restoration, Mustang Club of America Concourse Gold winner. Very nice. Very nice. Stunning rotisserie nut and bolt restoration of this factory built K code Hypo 289 factory 4-speed manual transmission. 1966 Ford Mustang GT Fastback, same age as me, but its body is in way better shape. There you go. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.